A guy I door knocked 2017. Again, never moving, but I said, hey, let's do a home evaluation. Did one for him 2017. Stayed in touch with him, but he's busy all the time. Never answers my calls, but I see him from time to time in my subdivision. He comes out to our Canada Day event. He gets my emails. I send him handwritten note cards, all these things. I've talked to this guy maybe, I don't know, maybe once a year if I'm lucky. I went out door knocking with the team 2 weeks ago for a listing around the corner, and I knew where he lived. I know most people on the street. And I said, you know, I'll tell you what, let's just sit down and have a home evaluation. That way you know what's going on. He said, actually, can you come tomorrow? He called me today and said, Chris, we're putting an offer on a house. We're listing his house today.